Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. Today we will learn about idioms. Idioms: get out of hand, get out of control, cost an arm and a leg, very expensive. On the ball, doing a good job. Let the cat out of the bag, to reveal a secret or confidential information. A perfect storm, the worst possible situation. Kick the bucket, to die or pass away. Wrap your head around something. Piece of cake, something that is very easy or effortless to do. Get a taste of your own medicine. Get treated the way you have been treating others. Negative. Cool as a cucumber. Very calm and not affected by pressure or stress. To drop the ball. To make a mistake, fail, or forget to do something important. Swim against the tide. To not follow what everyone else is doing. To count sheep. To try to get to sleep by counting imaginary sheep jumping over a fence. Busy as a bee. To be extremely busy. To be active. To do many things quickly. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, share and subscribe our channel. If you like our video, please subscribe our channel, hit the bell icon to never miss any update.